that side? On that side. This side, it wasn't as bad. We got 2414s on 305, 35, 24 on a leveling kit. So today we're taking the step side to Extreme LSX to begin the new build for the truck. Hopefully the wheels get here this week for this one for Bandas. If not, oh well. Now it's time to go drop this one off, go on a whole new setup. Hopefully it'll be out for OTM. That's the goal. We got everything in the truck. All these boxes. This is why I don't run the passenger seat. I don't even need to use my bed. Now it's time to head to the shop. So over here at Extreme, dropped it off. They've already looked over everything. First thing we want to do is take the cam out of this one. Take the cam out of this one, swap it so they can bring my cat eyes in. Swap it in the cat eyes. Swap it in the cat eyes so I can try to get ready for Bandas in that one. And then they begin. Got some sick shit coming. They got this badass, I think he said it was a 41. Got a nasty ass cam in it. Then this nice ass C10. Camaro. My boy Breezy out here tuning shit. Y'all go hit him up. Okay, now we're headed back to Extreme LSX. This time we're dropping this truck off. This truck's going in to get a cam. Hopefully I get it back before Bandas. That is the goal. So now I'm gonna be truckless for a few days. Because as you know, the step side's already over there getting the new setup put on. So now it's time to get a cam for this one. They already got the cam out of this one. Damn, they took nitrous plate off in there? No, it's back there. Never mind. Damn. Bad bitch right there. What are we looking at? Yeah, you look good with the cap on there. Yeah, man. Which one, Rick? Which one is this?
Front one. This
Both on front? That's back. Yep. We're on that BandasYTrocas crunch. So as you guys know, we are on a car show crunch for BandasYTrocas. Here is Jose's new look. We went with 2614 concave sidewinders by American Force. These were full polished. He didn't go brush this time. We didn't have to do too much for this one. Not like LST, we had to put basically a whole truck together. This one, all we had to do is put the wheels on. He's already ready to go. Now we gotta get the rest of the trucks. I also did get mine back today, but the wheels are not gonna be here till Wednesday based off the tracking. So this truck would not make it to the show, unfortunately. But did get something since the wheels didn't come in. Truck is now cammed. I took the cam out of my step side and put it in this truck. Shout out to Extreme LSX, they did a good job. Now I'm just waiting on Breezy to bring his ass so I can get tuning. Here goes the 2816s we got for the Duramax we're working on. They went with the American Forces Genesis concave, which is going on that truck right there. That's some candy red U2s. I wonder whose those are. Huge. Huge. This truck's gonna be huge. There's gonna be a lot of cutting. 2816s on 40s. Badass Duramax we're gonna have in the booth. It's from Quality One Wheel Repair. His name's John. Badass truck. 2816s on 40s on a, I think a 12 inch, 10 or 12 inch. Pretty nice. That one's gonna get a lift soon. This fool right here just got out of jail. Got locked up earlier for being a dumbass. Got his truck impounded. Now he got it back. Now it's 7 o'clock. He's just now detailing. sounded like a totally different truck. Spray, food, spray. Damn. Ooh-wee-hoo. Ooh-hoo. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Professional. You're professional there, my boy. Professional. That shit is coming. Told you that already. It is now damn near 8 o'clock. This thing is still here cleaning. Get your detailer that sits on his ass to wash the truck. You gotta get, we say our detailer sits on his ass to wash the trucks. You sit on your ass to watch the trucks. You hear me that time?
Yeah.
Okay. Shout out to the chemical guys. Fuck you lying about now, bitch.